Welcome children to our channel Maths with Joshi Uncle. Last time we considered how to prepare tables of two-digit numbers ending with 9, ending with 1 and any table. No need to have an ending with 1 or 9. Any table, how to prepare that. And we considered, for example, a table of 13 and 64. Now, children, I purposely did not consider a single digit table because it is very important for you in your future career to memorize tables of single digit numbers up to 9. Okay, but if some children are not able to memorize even the table of single digit tables, then I will tell you how to prepare the tables of single digit numbers also with this particular technique. Okay, so let's consider a table of 6. 6 is equal to, we can 0 tens and 6 ones. So how do we put that? In tens place 0 and in ones place 6. So in our case, the master digit at tens place is 0 and the master digit at ones place is 6. So we'll put these two numbers over here. And now we want to build this particular table. And how to do that? See, we know the two numbers already without starting, that is 6 ones are 6. That we already know. Okay. Now, what is the next? To get this number, what we have to do? We have to add this master digit in the number that we know. So 6 plus 6, 12. Oh, again we have got a two-digit number. Earlier we were having just single-digit number, no problem. But now we got a two-digit number. So 6 plus 6 is 12. How can we put that? Here dot is equal to 1. Dot is equal to 1. So we can give dot here, which is 1, and 2 over here at one's place. So dot is 1. Remember this. Okay, good. So how do we write over here? 0 and here 2 here. Now this dot we will consider while calculating the numbers at the tens place, because 1 is in the tens place. Okay, we will not consider it now. Now let's consider how to get the next number. Very simple. Just add 6 into the number that we know. 2 plus 6, 8. 8 plus 6, 14. So 14 again a two-digit number. So dot 4. So here is 4 and here is a dot. Now 4 plus 6, 10. Again a two-digit number. So 0 and a dot. Okay. Now what is the next number? 0 plus 6 is 6, a single digit number. So no dot. Again 6 plus 6, 12, a two-digit number. Dot 2. Now what is the next number? 2 plus 6, 8. 8 is a single digit number. So no dot. 8 plus 6, 14. Two-digit number. So dot and 4. And now what is the next number? 4 plus 6. 4 plus 6 is 10. So here again a two-digit number. So 0 here and a dot here. Okay. So we got all the numbers of, that is 50% of the table is ready. Now let's go to get the numbers from the tens place now. Now this is the number that we know, and now we want to get these numbers. So let's start from this number. So what is the master digit? 0, and this is also 0. So 0 plus 0 is 0, but there is a dot here, right? So dot is 1. So 0 plus 0, 0, and 0 plus 1 is 1. So we'll put 1 here. Okay. Now 1 plus 0 is again 1. So we'll put 1 only here. Again 1 plus 0, 1, but dot is here. So 1 plus 0 means 1 plus 1, that is 2. So we'll put 2 here. Now 2 plus 0 is 2. but again the dot is here. So 2 plus 1, that is 3. Then 3 plus 0 is again 3 because there is no dot. And 3 plus 0 is 3, but again the dot is here. So 3 plus 1, 4. Then 4 plus 0 is 4. There is no dot, so we put 4 here. Again 4 plus 0 is 4, but dot is here. So we have to put 5 here. Now 5 plus 0 is 5, but we have got a dot here. So it is 6. And see the things. 6 tens are 60 and we got this particular number. Have I asked you to memorize any table? No. So this single digit table is already ready without, I have never asked you to memorize any table of any single digit or two digit number. In spite of that, our entire table is ready. So children, I would like to warn you once again that considering your future career, you have to memorize tables up to 9. Now I have given this method only for those students for the time being who are not able to memorize these tables up to 9. But later on, every child has to memorize tables up to 9. Okay, so with this, we have concluded the topic of making any two-digit numbers table without memorization. Okay, now we'll go further in our next video for the next topic.